Hello friends. So today the topic is a very short video this, but it's very useful for comments whoever running the call center or whoever in technical into the Vicidial or even not even the Vicidial only. It's actually the Linux commands. It's not about the only Vicidial or anything. So what we want to know about these commands, how much resources are taken by any process, so we can how to watch out this. So let me start with this. So here is the Htop command. We have already logged in into the SSH over the putty, and you have to log in into the putty via the SSH, the login. And now then next you have to type Htop, and here you can see you can the watch out the how the resource has taken. If I am giving the example, so here is my SQL, right? So this is the SQL and this is the my asterisk. So here we can see it, which process is taking the maximum resource from your the system. Even one more thing I'm just going to show you. If you have any hackers have already attacked to your server, maybe there's some they have leave some PL file or scripting anything, so you can see it which script is running more. As like if I'm saying it, here is the command, right? So here is the inbound let me draft. Here is the email inbound.pl. It's taken the resource. So this commands, via this command you can check which PL file or script or the process or services which is running more into the resource section. And even there is one more command is also there. This is the top command. Even this top command also help you to check the load average of your system. And here's the MySQL services commands is there. Even the MySQL is taking the more resource here. After that, system D means system resources, whatever the like there's a lot of file are running behind the the whenever any OS is running. So system D is the system related any resource. And then you can check the asterisks also. So this is how you can check your the which service is taking the huge resource, and due to this resource taken, what are the issues you are facing. As like maybe calls landed already your dialer, but agent did not get any hits. Even the agent web may be slow already in calls, though it's showing call finished or disposition. This kind of issues you are facing whenever the system resource is taking huge loads. So you can check it, and you can check the services also. Sometime even the SQL, if SQL database the crashes or maybe the indexing is needed, that then also the MySQL taking the huge resource. So whenever you are checking the SQL resources taking huge, always do the repair and the indexing command. So I hope you like this video. Please like the button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, drop us mail. Even you can do the Skype also. So we are ready to help you. Thank you for watching our video.